Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are looking to disable the lock screen, it's important to know this upfront. iOS doesn't allow completely turning off the lock screen for security reasons. However, in iPhone settings 2026, you can remove the lock requirements, making your iPhone open directly without passcode, Face ID or Touch ID, which effectively removes the lock barrier. Okay, so in this guide I will show you the correct and safe ways to turn off lock protection on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, important reality check. Okay, so you can't remove the lock screen interface entirely, skip swipe up screen permanently. Okay, so but you can remove passcode, disable Face ID or Touch ID, and stop automatic lock-in. So this results in an always accessible iPhone. Okay, so now go to settings. Okay, tap Face ID and passcode. Okay, or Touch ID and passcode on the older models. Okay, so it depends on the version, the version that you have. So enter your current passcode. Okay, so tap turn passcode off. Okay, so you have to look for the passcode option. Okay, so the first option, you have to make it gray. Okay, so confirm your choice after that. This disables lock screen security, Face ID and Touch ID auto lock protection, so your iPhone will no longer require unlocking. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.